What if I told you that some elements come in pairs, like best friends, that refuse to be alone even in science? Let's break down diatomic elements. An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into smaller substances by chemical or physical means. It's the most basic form of matter you'll ever meet in science. Did you know? Gold is an element. It's so stable it doesn't rust, tarnish, or corrode. Basically, the diva of the periodic table. Elements exist as atoms, or diatomic molecules. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that has the properties of an element. Picture atoms as the Lego blocks of everything tiny but mighty. Some examples of atoms are hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, copper, and calcium. When atoms get cozy, they bond into molecules. A molecule is a group of two or more atoms chemically bonded together. Some examples of molecules include water, hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, sodium chloride, and calcium carbonate. Here's a quick challenge. Pause here and comment. Which of these is not a molecule? Oxygen molecule, water, sodium, or carbon dioxide? First 5 correct answers get pinned. Now, let's zoom in on something cooler. Diatomic molecules. A diatomic molecule is a molecule composed of only 2 atoms. Most diatomic molecules are compounds, but 7 elements are so antisocial they exist as diatomic elements even when pure at room temperature. These 7 diatomic elements are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, and bromine. Though these substances are molecules, but they exist as elements at room temperature. Now back to classification. Elements are classified as metals or nonmetals. Some examples of metals include sodium, calcium, copper, iron, and zinc. Some examples of nonmetals include hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. To recap, an element is a substance that cannot be broken down into smaller substances by chemical or physical means. Elements exist as atoms or diatomic molecules. Examples of atoms include hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, copper, and calcium. There are 7 diatomic molecules, and they are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, and bromine. Elements are classified as metals or nonmetals. Some examples of metal elements are sodium, calcium, and copper. Some nonmetal elements are hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. So next time someone says, "What's in the air?" you can say, "Molecules of elements, baby." Now that you understand elements, atoms, and diatomic molecules, we're diving straight into the structure of atoms' electrons, protons, and the magic in between. Stay curious, stay learning.